In this video tutorial, I will present the 5 different tools that are available on MIALab for the usage in the manual mesh editing. The magnet tool is used when a smooth surface editing is required. The tool usage is easy. Just by clicking with the mouse, the user can attract the surface to the corresponding point. In order to properly define the surface region to be edited, the user can set the sigma value in the upper toolbar. Small values correspond to a local displacement around the mouse click, while greater values involve a larger portion of the surface in the editing. If the results are not satisfying, the user can discard the previous action just by pressing delete on the keyboard or the undo button located on the upper toolbar. The brush tool is replicating the usage of an actual brush in the 3D space. The click and drag mouse action performs the 3D painting on the mask. In this way, new voxels are marked and included in the segmentation mask. The sigma value in the upper toolbar is used to increase or decrease the size of the brush. Two different 3D brush shapes are available: a spherical brush and a cubic brush. In order to erase a specific mask region, the user can select the corresponding item in the menu. In this case, the brush will interact in the rubber mode. The polygonal tool is particularly useful when the user needs to edit sharp edges. This tool takes several polygonal lines drawn by the user and computes a 3D deformation of the mesh surface by interpolating the polygonal lines according to the thin plate spline algorithm. To draw a single polygon line, simply click and drag the mouse following the desired path. You can delete a single point or the entire polyline by clicking on the corresponding buttons in the upper toolbar. When the polygon drawing is completed, push the Update Mesh button to compute the interpolation and deform the mesh accordingly. The grid spacing parameter controls the extension of the deformation. Lower values will reflect a smaller region involved in the deformation. The Polyspline drawing tool is used to create and model a 3D shape. The first step requires the user to draw several 2D closed splines in the different 3D views. These splines will be used as reference contours in the interpolation step. The single click draws a single point of the spline. Multiple clicks in the desired locations will create the 2D splines. To terminate the current spline drawing and optionally initiate a new one, press the spacebar. When you are satisfied with the 2D splines, you can start the interpolation and the 3D surface creation by clicking on Update Mesh. The resulting mesh will be then merged with the existing one. You can delete a single spline with the Delete key, or if you prefer to delete all the splines, you can click on the button in the toolbar. The Click and Drag tool is used to combine the corresponding clicking action from the mouse with the region drawing. To start using it, click with the mouse in a specific point and start holding and dragging the mouse to create a line. A green colored region will start expanding in the 3D volume. When the mouse click is released, the region color turns to red. This region expansion is guided by statistical analysis of the neighborhood. The region will be forced to expand and grow only towards voxels that share similar statistical features, such as the voxel intensity, with the ones alongside the line. The Undo button is used to remove the latest region included. The reset button is used to completely wipe out all the previous regions. To convert the regions into a mesh, you can click on the tool icon or simply switch to any of the other tools.